Ready to connect with more people on Threads? Open your account and share your story with the world within a few minutes. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to make private account public on Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Start by opening the Threads app on your device and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your personal dashboard where your settings live. Spot the two horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile page. Tap it to reveal a list of options. This menu is where all the customization happens, from privacy settings to notification preferences. Tap on the privacy in the menu. Here you will find a toggle for your private profile. Toggle the switch beside the private profile to make your account public. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the OK button. Finally, your account is now public and your post will become visible to everyone on Threads, even those who you don't follow. So this is how to make private account public on Threads. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.